Day 1 Hydration Lesson. Hey, welcome to Day. If this is your first time here, we are kicking off something new this week. A 7-day wellness challenge. One small habit a day, nothing extreme. Nothing that asks you to overhaul your entire life overnight. Just 7 days, 7 habits, and we are bringing you through every single one of them right here on this channel. This is day 1, and we wanted to start with something that sounds almost too obvious to call a habit, and drinking water. We know you are probably thinking I already drink water, but here's the thing. So does almost everyone who says that, or at least they think they do. When we actually looked into it while putting this challenge together, the numbers, we are surprised. Most people get through their day on maybe 2 glasses. Two, and almost all of us blame afternoon crashes on our skin, on stress or not sleeping enough, when a huge chunk of it is often just planned dehydration. Here's what's sneaky about it. Your body doesn't always send a clear I am thirsty signal before dehydration starts affecting you. Mild dehydration shows up first as fatigue, that foggy, can't quite focus feeling, sometimes even as a mild headache. So people reach for coffee or sugar or just push through and feel worse by quickly. When the actual fix was something this simple the whole time. So here's day 1, and we actually try this out with today, not just watch along. This habit is simplest. Drink one full glass of water within 10 minutes of waking up, before your phone, before your coffee, before you check anything. It sounds small, but it does two things. First, rehydrates your body after hours of sleep, when your body naturally loses water just through breathing. Second, it becomes trigger, a starting point for the day. Once wake up, drink water becomes the very first action. It's easier to keep sipping consistently for the rest of the day. This is one of the things we love recommending on the link store. And it's good, simple, or fun. Keep it somewhere visible, desk, your bag, wherever you will actually see it, because out of sight really does mean out of mind when it comes to hydration. So today's challenge has two parts. That first last, when you wake up, and keeping a bottle visible somewhere throughout the day. You don't need to force down liters of one. Small consistent sips add up faster than most people expect. Let's walk through what we actually looks like in practice. Waking up with first glass of water, waking before checking on your phone. Keep the bottle within reach of where you sleep. So it's the first thing you see, not a screen. And throughout the day, just refill it wherever you are working or studying. By the evening, most people notice they feel less foggy than usual, and that typical afternoon slump barely shows up. So, why does this actually matter? Beyond the fact that we already know. Water is good for us. Your brain is roughly 75% water. Even 1 to 2% drop in dehydration, enough to measure the effect concentration, and that's not a huge, that's basically skipping a glass or two, starting your day every day means you are not fighting an uphill battle from car one. Your energy, your focus, even your skin all have a better baseline to work from. One honest note before we wrap day 1. The first few days of prioritizing this can feel like a mission, a reminder you have to consciously give yourself. That's it. Completely normal. Stick with it, and it becomes automatic faster you would expect that. One day of the Ting Wellness Challenge, one of the simplest habits on this itself, but don't just skip it because it sounds basic. Try it tomorrow morning, water before phone, before coffee, before anything, and notice how your energy feels by early afternoon. Let us know in the comments if you tried it. Tomorrow, we are moving the body for just 10 minutes. No gym, no equipment, nothing complicated. We'll show you exactly what that looks like. See you in day 2.